Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change mouse sensitivity in Windows 10. Adjusting mouse sensitivity in Windows 10 allows for a personalized and more precise user experience. So let's start the video. So the first step is to right click on the start menu icon and then click on settings. Once you are in the settings window, click on the devices option to open the device settings. So click on devices. Now on the left sidebar, click on mouse option. This will open mouse settings. Look for related settings and click on additional mouse options. So click here. Mouse properties pop-up will appear. Now click on pointer options tab. So click here. Here you will see a slider labeled select a pointer speed. This is where you can adjust your mouse sensitivity. Move the slider to the left for lower sensitivity or right for higher sensitivity. You can experiment with different settings until you find the one that feels just right for you. So that's how to change mouse sensitivity in Windows 10. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more Windows 10 guides.